Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to close Mercedes side mirrors. We'll cover both the manual method using the control switch and the convenient automatic folding feature. Understanding these options helps protect your mirrors in tight spaces and enhances your vehicle's functionality. Let's get started with the simple steps to manage your mirrors. To manually fold your side mirrors, find the mirror adjustment switch on your driver's door panel. There's usually a dedicated button, often located between the left and right mirror selector buttons, that you simply press to fold both mirrors in. This is perfect for quickly narrowing your vehicle when navigating tight spots or parking. Many Mercedes models offer an automatic mirror folding feature. You can activate this through your car's MBUX or infotainment system settings, usually under vehicle or convenience options. Once enabled, your side mirrors will automatically fold in when you lock the car and unfold when you unlock it. This is a great way to protect them in busy parking lots or narrow garages. Your mirrors will typically unfold automatically when you unlock your Mercedes and open a front door. If you need to unfold them manually, simply press the same mirror folding button on your door panel that you used to fold them in. Remember to always be aware of your surroundings when folding or unfolding your mirrors, ensuring they have a clear path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.